couple typical valves, pendulum valves, and when you blow it apart, you see the picture here, there are basic pieces to a pendulum valve, right? You have a rotating paddle, you have the bonnet, you have the housing, you have a pendulum plate or seal plate, and we're even going to take a closer look at actuating pins that you don't see here, and paddle shaft seals and things like this that you also don't see here. So we focus on 5 specific sealing applications in these pendulum valves, right? You can see them here. And we're going to take a closer look at each one of these. And we're going to define what the challenges are at each one of these. So the first one, number 1, you can see is the pendulum seal plate face seal. The next one is number 2 here. It's the pendulum seal plate radial seal. The third one is the bonnet seal, which would be just the static seal here. Fourth one is the rotating paddle shaft seal, which is right here. And 5 are your actuating pin seals.